In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a password on Notion. Setting up a password for your Notion account is an important step to keep your workspace secure, especially if you usually log in with services like Google or Apple. A dedicated password gives you another way to sign in, and it can make it easier to access your content across different devices and browsers. First, open Notion on your computer. Once you're in your workspace, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the sidebar where all your pages and workspaces live. Near the bottom of that sidebar, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click that. This will open up your main account and workspace settings in a new panel. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see several tabs and sections. Look for the one that shows your account information, which is labeled with your own name. This is essentially your account profile area. Click on your name to open your account settings. This is where Notion keeps all your personal login and security options. Once you're in your account settings, scroll until you find the option that says Add Password. If you've never set a password for this account before, this button will be clearly visible. Click on Add Password to begin the process. A small window or form will appear asking you to create your new password. Take a moment here to choose something secure and unique. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using easily guessed details like birthdays or simple words. Type your chosen password into the first field. Now, in the second field, you'll be asked to confirm your password. Carefully type the exact same password again. This step helps ensure there are no typing mistakes and that you'll be able to log in successfully later. After you've entered and confirmed your password, look for the Save or Confirm button and click it. Notion will then update your account with this new password. Once it's saved, your password is active immediately, and you can use it next time you log in. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a password on Notion, giving your account an extra layer of security and a reliable way to sign in wherever you are.